our duck.
I see no meals.
Cody! Back there.
Wanna go start the whole
Oh, your mom's
photo?
home. Or Missy's.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get yelled at.
Hi, Cody. What's up, buddy? Hi, bud. Hi.
And this is Cody, the one that has beauty. I'm gonna go start the whole photo.
Hi, buddy. What you doing? Yeah? Well, that's Cody. That is Peaches, the little pony. Hey, little man. What's up?
Oh, your face is my face. Your face is my face. Like that?
Little Peaches. Little Peaches. Oh, there we go. We can see you better now. Maybe not. Really, Cody? Is that how you feel?
How that's why you don't want to do this.
Hi, Free Loop. What you doing? That is the mule. Come here, Free Loop. Come here, girlie.
Hey, there's Fruit Loop.
Hi, girl.
Can you get your other fun stuff? Do you like fun from yet, huh? I love how you don't like them no more. I do. Are you gonna get to us? Are you? Sooner or later, I'm gonna be able to go up there and see you every day, all day. There's no more missing school, right? Right? Come out here every day since I'm getting home. Clap.
The rest of the gang's back there.
How do you spell cousin, how you had it?
Cousin.
Cousin.
Mr. Attention Hog over here.
You're so adorable.
Cody, Cody, Cody! Hi, buddy. Well, that's our gang.
Well,
So.
some of it, like 3 of them. Huh? This is Brandy and Paige with our family news flash. Deuces.